Hello, I'm Prachi Billy and you're watching UTC News. Rain has started again in Vadodara and all the areas are hit by flood. As you can see, the situations become more worse now, and as you can see the screen, there are so many areas are under water logging. As you can, this is the screen and the Vadodara map, as this is the first Fatehganj and also Siddharth Bungalow. All the areas are in water logging and the situations become more worse now. What the government do now, because all know, because the situation in one month back in Vadodara and now the same situation in Vadodara. And as you can see the screen, this is the area of Fatehganj bridge and this is the Siddharth Bungalow and this market, and so many peoples are in underwater. They are facing so many problems now, and the rain started in heavily and the situation became more worse now. The flood in again Vadodara. As you can also see, this is the area becoming underwater logging, and so many peoples are struggling in this phase, because for 3 to 4 hours the rain started continuously, and the meteorology department already warned that this situation become more worse. And what was the Vadodara pre-monsoon preparation has become done yet, and if this situation is morely convey, then the people of Vadodara facing same problem they facing 1 month back. So you can also see the screen there, so many areas are under water logging, and this is the Fatehganj and Siddharth Bungalow, and the market of Vadodara are still, the people are facing, the market is closed now, and the situation became more worse and now, and the flood, the city is under flood now. The Vishwamitra water is under the city. As you can see, what you guys think this situation is? If this situation is more thing, then the Vadodara people are still facing the same problem.